What is up guys, welcome back to my channel Biker 360. Today we are going on a short highway spin, straight roads with max speeds. You'll get to know the highest speed of KTM Duke 250, and this is my bike, the Dukey Apsarakonda Waterfalls, which is near Patkal. It is 117 kilometers. My friends are here, Prakyat and Dheeraj, the same 250 guy. Let's see you on the roads.
Shout to all my boss boys, we rowdy. Shout to all my boss boys. Shout to all my boss boys, we rowdy. Shout to all my boss boys. Shout to all my boss boys. Bang your around bass. Bang your around. Bang your around.
Whoa man, that was cool. Actually the roads are very smooth. You can do some cruising and some sort of racing stuff actually, but I don't recommend to race on the highways. It depends on the bike actually, and the tires need to be fit to race. I don't recommend to race on these highways, so take care while riding on these roads.
I've got a premonition, I'm dreaming you and I. All my darkest fears are coming outside. We got a billion races, we got this melody, and you can trust me, baby, we got everything. Call me whenever you feel alone, babe, and when you need to cry, I'll be by your side. Call me whenever you need someone, babe, and when you need to escape from 1,000 fires. I'm gonna kiss you wherever you are, and I'm gonna miss you, I will never lie. Call me whenever you need someone, baby. We're running in the jungle of love.
My bike doesn't have that kind of high speed. It just goes 145 kilometers per hour, and that is very low, I think, compared to other Duke 250s. But it's fine because I have installed many accessories like crash guard, etc. There are many, so it goes in a very average speed.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record, yeah. For the record, yeah. For the record, for the record, for the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. Frozen. A6 all the hate. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ballin' age. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the. On record, off record, I still count wins when they doubt it. On record, off record, I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record, I still want the act, not the ghost. Running through it with the young influence, adolescent presence. Also coming to it. I've been giving yeses when I shouldn't do it. I complete objective, but the moves elusive, and I'm barely moving, but I'm still gon' boost them. I can't work on winnings when I know you're losing, so I went the winnings and they throw the deuces. Guess I had to pivot, shooting the bazookas for the backs. I need racks, paper cash, bucket tax. That's a joke. Tell them laugh. Uncle Sam, buck up the back. Brody plot, but get a whack. Contract, give me them backs. I got lab on my back. You ain't that, then it's raps. Whoa, 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 whoa. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ. ಚಹಾ ಉಂಟಾ? ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯಾವುದಿಲ್ಲ? ಹೌದಾ? ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೆ, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೆ ಈ ಸೈಡ್. ಹೌದು, ತುಂಬ ದಿವಸ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಹೌದಾ?
ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಹಾಂ, ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾಟಲ್ ಕೊಡಿ. 1 ಲೀಟರ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಇವ್ರ ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರ ಪ್ರೇಮ್ ಬಾಯ್. ಹಾಂ, ಇವ್ರು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Guys, done with the refreshments. Now we're heading towards Bhatkal. Bhatkal is just I don't know the kilometer count, but it's nearby. I feel that because I have seen many milestones on the road saying the Bhatkal is just 8 kilometers or something like that. So we are traveling towards Bhatkal now, and after we reach Bhatkal we need to take a right turn, I guess. Not Bhatkal, I don't know. Maybe let's see. Let's go through the map and let's go through the flow. The place we have been traveling to is Apsarakonda, but we had planned to travel to Gokarna, but we can't do it today. So we'll be traveling to Apsarakonda itself.
Oh, mojo, está calor.
ಸೊ ಗೈಸ್, ನಾವೀಗ ಭಟ್ಕಳ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಭಟ್ಕಳ್ ಒಂದು ತುಂಬ ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಆಗಿರುವ ಒಂದು ಸಿಟಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ನಡೀತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಭಟ್ಕಳ್ ಪೋರ್ಟ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಾವು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು 20 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್, ಐ ಗೆಸ್ 20 ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮೇ ಬಿ ಒಂದು 5 to 8 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅಪ್ಸರಕೊಂಡ ವಾಟರ್ಫಾಲ್ಸಿಂದ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ಸರಕೊಂಡ ವ್ಯೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ವ್ಯೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಹೋಗ್ತೇವಾ ಇಲ್ಲವಾ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಇಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಅಪ್ಸರಕೊಂಡ ವಾಟರ್ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. ಲೇಟರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೈಮ್, ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ವ್ಯೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. But those are nearby, but we need time to cover them. We are already late because as we started very late from our houses. So stay tuned. We'll be there in 2 minutes, I guess. But in the vlog it will be very small. Don't worry. Dude, that was a very busy road. I took a lot of time to cover it. Damn. I think Dheeraj is behind me. I could see him through the mirrors. We are very nearby now. Yes. Wow, that looks like the hill is shaved in the middle. I think that's a road to go up, I guess. We are nearby, guys. I'm telling it from a long time, but I know that we are nearby. This is Murdeshwara now, and we need to take a left turn to go to Apsarakonda Waterfalls. My GoPro battery is dying. I think I will not be able to record the path which we go to Apsarakonda Waterfalls. But I will show you the waterfalls and I'll put the direction, the location in the map. Sorry, direction, location in my description. You can visit this place. Yes, we are there. Jai. That is RNS College to my left side, and we need, I think, 1 kilometer more, I guess. These are RNS, that motors something, Maruti and Bharat Benz showrooms, and this is the way to go to Mudeshwara, that left side which you saw. We are 1 kilometer far according to the map. Dheeraj has it. Okay, we are nearby. Yeah. Okay, let's rush now. Yeah, speed.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car.
So guys, I have finally reached my house. Too tired. I couldn't record the return journey because my GoPro battery was dead. I didn't have another battery. I already had 2 batteries and both were finished. And it's 12 o'clock now. While coming back, we had food in Marvante. There's a restaurant. I'll put the link, the location of that restaurant in the description too. You can visit. Very tasty biryani. Not beautiful, it's tasty. And you can have that biryani. We have many other stories to tell. This is the story of Apsarakonda Waterfalls, which I think I narrated well. If you need any changes in my storytelling or vlogging style, please do comment in the comment box. I'm happy to read those comments and improve myself in vlogging. I need time. I'm not a well-established YouTuber or something like that. I'm just a beginner, and I take some time to. Everyone takes time to change themselves and the vlogging styles. So that's up for today's vlog. See you soon in the next vlog. Bye bye. Take care. Kudafis. Live your life. Live your dreams. Boom. I know what you guys might be thinking. This guy literally copies MSK everywhere. Yes, I copy MSK. I agree, because I'm a huge fan of MSK. I copy his styles because copying is the art where we get to know ourselves and where we get to improve in the places where we don't have the proper grip. So to have that grip, we need to copy and we need to create our own style of vlogging. So that's what I learned from MSK. Even MSK has taken many ideas from other vloggers and he has built his own vlogging style. So even I want to be the same. I literally copy many people like MSK. Stereo Cat Motovlogs, Prembhai, and Shutterbox Films, Sachin Anna. Yeah, like many other vloggers in Kudla and in India. Even Irfan Junejo from Pakistan. Like I see many vlogs, many motovlogging channels. So I have some ideas and I want to implement them on my vlogs. So that's up. Bye. Good night.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste.